Hello, and welcome to this video. This course focuses on the notion of child-centered learning. But what does that actually mean? Essentially, this approach places the child at the very center of what we do. Effectively, you are a bridge between your child's school, technology, and the resources you use, and your child or children. Instead of all these items being delivered directly to your child or children, we should consider what items are best suited to our child, how often they receive and undertake work, and when is the best time to complete tasks. Schools have an obligation to support students in a way which can feel a little generic. Teachers do a fantastic job, but the demands on their time can be extremely high. Whilst time management is still important for you, as the parent or guardian of the child learning at home, you have the opportunity to adapt resources to better suit your child. You are the shield or filter for your child. Your role is to ensure that they are not overwhelmed by all the support on offer, but also the work that they are being asked to complete. If your child undertakes home learning full-time, your role as a filter for your child's development becomes even more important. This filtering means you must consider what the key focus is for you and your children, what their interests are, as well as other factors which we shall explore. By answering these questions, you will understand what resources are important to your child's learning and what may not be as necessary. If, for any reason, you haven't already been shown or given access to different resources online, you will still want to maintain your child-centered approach and explore how useful you believe sites such as Khan Academy, BBC Bitesize, and YouTube are for your child. Each of these examples are fantastic in their own right, but your role will be to filter these sites to locate which elements will work best for your children or child and you. Whilst you undertake this process, you may wish to bookmark or note which pages and activities are suitable, so that you are able to return to them easily in the future when ready. Thank you.